Hello everybody and welcome back to Panda Creates Tutorials. I am Panda and today we are doing something a little bit different from a tutorial. We are going back to my unboxing and product review series just for a minute because I managed to get my hands on one of the Cheeky Chops Fabrics Supernatural Mystery Boxes. Try saying that 10 times fast. Now, I have used Cheeky Chops Fabric in the past. She is an Australian distributor of fabric. I've never bought bulk like reams of her fabric, but I have bought a few of her little mystery packs. Her mystery packs are actually tumbler cut size. And they work perfectly well for fabric tumblers. Now, if you haven't seen my fabric tumbler tutorial for the 20 ounces, it's about to pop up at the top of the screen as a recommendation. But if you've watched that tutorial, you will know that I am quite obsessed with the Supernatural series. I started watching it way back when it started in season 1 when it first came out in 2005, and I followed their story all the way up until the final episode of the 15th season. It was 15 years of my life that I dedicated to the Winchester boys, and I will say it is probably my #1 fandom. As you can see by my t-shirt, I am a Nightmare Before Christmas person as well, but Supernatural does take the cake. So when Cheeky Chops Fabric brought out their Supernatural mystery box, I just had to have one. Now, it isn't just fabric. What she or they do is reach out to a bunch of their promotionalists and their people that use their stuff all the time, send them some fabric and ask them to make a item to go into the boxes in the themes. Now, I know that the last one before the Supernatural box was a Tolkien one. I know a friend of mine, Amanda, she actually has a YouTube channel. I will link her in the description just to give her a free shout out. She got the Tolkien box and it looked like a lot of fun. I do think there are still a couple of Supernatural boxes left on the website at time of filming, and then the next one has also been released, which is a Stargate one. So if you are interested in buying yourself or someone you love a little present, I definitely recommend their mystery boxes. So, enough of me yabbering on. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay. Now, I did take it out of the post, the parcel post bag that it was in, but that's as far as I've gotten. I have not opened it myself yet. So, I'm just going to move my microphone. Where am I going to put my microphone? Okay guys, so the genius in me decided to fold the lid of the box under the box, so crisis averted. Okay, so, mystery box! Alright, I'm going to take the bubble wrap. I'm going to keep the bubble wrap for when I send my cups. Okay, first off is a little, well, I'll hold it like this, a Winchester sticker. And it looks like a panel of nope, it's not a panel of fabric, it is... Oh, it is a panel of fabric, but it's a wall hanging. Oh, so we've got... I'll move this up a little bit so you can see. Carry on my wayward son with the famous pentagram logo, and then down the bottom we've got our boys and the Impala, and it has the original number plate. Oh, that makes me so happy. So that is a wall hanging that is quite large. I'm not sure what the size is because I'm not very good with guesstimating, but that's quite large. Okay, what have we got? We've got a tote bag, a black tote bag with the same logo on it. Looks like we've got a hex bag, so we might leave the hex bag till last. We've got a bunch of stickers. What have we got? We've got the logo again. We've got... Now, I've used this love design several times, but I've never seen it with the pentagram. It's usually got like a sunflower or something in it, so that's quite cool. We've got the boys, and we've got the boys again. A vinyl, permanent vinyl handprint, and the number plate. And, oh, that's cool. It's a drawing of the two of them hanging out on the Impala. I like that. I think that's my favorite one. That's cool. What else have we got? We got something in tissue paper. Feels like a cup? It is a cup. We have a 12-ounce wine tumbler. Now this one has a open lid. It does not have a slide lid, so it's not suitable for travel, but that's okay because I will just use this when I am crafting. And they have used permanent vinyl to put the logo on the cup. I have a cup, right? For a cup maker, I don't actually have very many cups for myself. I have a lot of cups that I intended to make for myself, but they never got to the final coat. The plaid cup that we did in a tutorial early on in Aussie Tumbler Makers is one fine example. That still doesn't have a final coat on it. So I'm so excited to have a cup that I can use for me. What else have we got? We've got prints. This is, I'll try and get it up close so that you can see. That is drawn. That is not a black and white photo that's been edited. That is actually sketched. That's gorgeous. If you are watching this video and you are one of the artists featured in this box, can you please leave a comment so that I can give you a huge kudos? Because this is incredible. Oh, look, another one. It's got, get the dust off it. Look, it's got all 4 of them. So we've got Sam and Dean and Cass and Crowley. We've got all 4 of them. And it's got the original number plate on the car as well. That's an A4 print. I'm running out of room. And we've got another piece of paper. And another, this isn't A4, this is a little bit larger than A4. But we've got Righteous Man, the Boy King, and the Angel of the Lord. Then we've got, let's have a look in our hex bag. Oh, they're cool. They're bargaining chips. Look, I have bargaining chips. I think I'll put them in my handbag just in case I ever need them. I thought it was a hex bag. I was like, maybe we should open it last just in case. But I got some bargaining chips. So to recap, we have the chips, obviously, the 2 prints. This is gorgeous. I'm going to frame this. And the little mini one. We've got all of our stickers. The 12-ounce wine cooler tumbler. Our tote bag. Put the hex bag back in there. That's just it. That's what it is now. It's a hex bag, guys. And my big wall hanging, which I am going to put where I film, where my computer sits is here. I'm going to put it on the wall behind. I'm so chuffed. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video and you were one of the contributors to this box, you have done so well. I am so over the moon. I'm in such a good mood now. I was having a pretty crappy rainy Tuesday, but now I'm in a better mood now. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Cheeky Chops Fabrics for organising yet another awesome mystery box. As I mentioned, at the time of filming, they were still available to purchase on the website. Depending on when you see this video, I may not be true to my word, but at time of filming they are still available to grab one. Otherwise, if you're more of a Stargate fan, that is now on release as well. They do work on a pre-order. She sells all of her boxes. She figures out how many that she sold, and then she reaches out to the artists and gets them to collab with her for the box. So I will leave all of the Cheeky Chops fabric details below. I will leave their Facebook page link and their website as well. As I mentioned, if you were one of the contributing artists, please comment below so I can personally thank you for all of your hard work. Otherwise, that is my unboxing for the Cheeky Chops Fabric Supernatural Mystery Box. It's still trying to wrap my tongue around that one, but there it is. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go and have a play and figure out where I'm gonna put these stickers, because my kids have a bad habit of pinching any stickers that I get and decorating the TV they play their Xbox on with it. So I'm gonna go and find a use for them now before they get home from school. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your week, guys, or weekend, or depends on when you're watching the video, I suppose. But I will see you next time. Bye bye.